If it wasn't for fun, life couldn't survive. He is the one that we need, like the sunshine. If it wasn't for fun, life couldn't survive. He is the one that we need, like the sunshine.
I'm a mystery, the mist don't mean shit to me. I come from the rain, but that's just some ancient history. A savior was born when God created spores. Find me on the end of your stick like you're making s'mores. Symbiotic exchange, yeah, we save resources. The flow's balanced, it allows us all to stay in orbit. Psilocybin, I can show you where the sacred source is. Make your spine stand up like a stegosaurus. I'm the reason that your lungs are breathing. Whether or whether not you wanna believe it, I eat you in.
Well, here we go again. I got two new style fidget spinners that I'm going to give a shot. So this one I guess would be, Thor's hammer. And then I got this style right here. Some dragons. This one is super thin. I'm going to be real surprised if the silver actually flows through. This half, it's not going to flow through at all. It's only coming through right there. And it's got to fill all of that. I got some vents running through. Hopefully that'll help the silver flow. But I don't have a whole lot of high hopes for this one. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Alright, well, let's do a reveal together. You'll find out how I did with this dragon at the same time I find out. Same with the Thor's hammer. Thor's hammer. We're going to set that aside for the moment. Get the exhaust fan going. I don't know if I got it or not. Kind of hard to tell. Not bad. The reason I'm not saying nothing right now is because I don't want to get my hopes up, and I still don't know if I got the whole thing or not. The vents that I poured, they filled out. And it would help if I had some glasses on my face so I could actually see it. So I can show you what the hell we're looking at. I think it came out. It looks complete. Sick. Let's try to get the rest of this burnt sand off. Preferably without dropping it, because that would suck. This is a really thin piece. It's trying to slip out. think I got it. I'm seeing some webbing in here. I think I got it. Yow! And I think it's still hot. Yeah, that just cooked my palm a little bit. That's okay. All right. That came out. That was the first pour. The reason I poured that first before I did the Thor's hammer is because the silver will cool off just a little bit, and in between the seconds that I go from one flask to the other, which is why I don't ever pour 3 or 4 or 5 at a time, because usually number 3 don't work out. Let's see how Thor's hammers came out. One of the hammers don't look so good. You can see that right off the bat. And oh, wait a minute. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm right. I think running vents down from the top hammers to the ones on the side was a good call. Because when I didn't do that for, what was the other one? I have dominoes. I did a fidget spinner with dominoes. I couldn't get the silver to flow uphill. So that was a learning experience. I think this turned out pretty decent. And then there's some things here I'm not real happy with, but I'm not going to let that ruin it. Check it out. Get a good look. Maybe it's difficult to see. I don't know. I don't know. I'll clean it up. And it's trying to slip out of the pliers. Yeah. It's still hot. Very, very pleased with this one. That's going to look cool when I'm done. Absolutely. Yeah, man. Alright, I'm going to end this clip here. And if you want to see what they look like when I'm done, well, stay tuned. Not that I care if I get any subscribers, but if you really want to see what they look like when I'm done, make sure you're subscribed. Alright. Much love, everyone. I'll talk to y'all soon.
If it wasn't for fun